Hello gamers! Today I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing Roblox, the popular online gaming platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Roblox website. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website at www.roblox.com. Step 2. Sign up for a Roblox account. If you don't have a Roblox account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. Click on the sign up button and follow the instructions to create your account. Step 3. Log in to your Roblox account. Click on the login button and enter your username and password to log in. Step 4. Download and install Roblox Player. If you haven't installed Roblox Player on your computer before, you'll be prompted to download and install it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Step 8. Launch Roblox Player. Once Roblox Player is installed, launch it from your computer's applications folder or desktop. Step 9. Start playing. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox, and now you're ready to dive into the exciting world of online gaming. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded and installed Roblox, enjoy playing games and connecting with friends on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.